baby. Yeah, so that's my favorite Kayla song.
You know I've found ways to get you back. We're headed for the surface. Are you feeling that? Let's start over again. Forget the sorrows. We can't stop.
Hello. So I am gonna do something different. I have a lot of time today or tonight. Well, not really. I don't know. I have nothing planned for tonight other than Vampire Diaries and the originals. I found a Hmong Tag and I love doing like those like tell me about yourself kind of things. I don't know why, but I love doing those. Like way back in the day when, you know, like MySpace had those little bulletin boards and you can copy and paste and enter those in. And who knows who actually reads them, but they were still so fun for me to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this Hmong Tag. And what best to do this Hmong Tag to other than Tupac? Okay, first question. When was the last time you were in Thailand? I've never been to Thailand, but hopefully one day. I want to go with my parents, maybe in a couple years here. Number 2 is, what's your favorite Hmong dish and why? I like la. That counts as a Hmong dish, right? Well, it's kind of adapted, but I like la because it tastes really good. Number B. Name one household item that best resembles our Hmong culture. I would say household item. Suga? The suga. That's a household item, right? I would say suga. If you're traditional, which I am. Number blows. Do you know how to speak Hmong? If so, say a phrase or two. Yes. Cô bố ai lời Hmong? Number Chi. What's your favorite Hmong song and sing it? Oh my god, I'm not gonna sing. Favorite Hmong song. What is my favorite Hmong song? Okay. So I can think of one that's like an older school Hmong song. Okay, one from like way back when I was a little kid. So when I was a little kid, like my aunt used to babysit me a lot, so she would have these cassettes, you know, like way back in the day, those cassettes. And so she would always listen to this one song over and over. So that's like probably one of my favorite songs because it reminds me of like when I was younger and I didn't have to worry about anything and I was around her a lot. And then other than that, let's see, there's a lot of White Shadow and KLS and Destiny. Oh my god, I don't even know one of my favorite songs. So one would be from that era. Let's see. Freaking A, what? Sanaki back in the day. What's it? I think it might be this song. Let's see. Had to stop Tupac. Okay, I'll be back to you. Let's see. Is it this song? I can't sing, but I'll lip sync. Oh yeah, this song. Wait, is it this one? Oh yeah, this song. Okay, it's not really Saniki, I don't know who it is, but this song. Yeah, so that has to be my favorite older school Hmong song. Let's see, and then I guess like the more like in like the 2000s, like late 90s, early 2000s. That a Hmong song that like always like makes me like, oh my god, you know, would be this song. Like that beat though. That beat though. If you grew up in the 90s and 2000s, you know this song. You know, most songs, they always have really long introductions, I realized. Oh, this song always hits you while you're here. It's been a while. Oh, sorry.